Hello everyone, I'm Vincent. Today I will be talking about my interaction product, the process of iterative development based on the feedback from user testing in Asamoah, and my expectations for the future of my interactive product. In Asamoah, I designed my interaction device, a night light that changes the color of the light and plays music by changing the distance. But through user feedback, I studied the issues. I was given the following questions. There is no light switch to control the light. The volume level cannot be adjusted. The usability of interaction by adjusting the color of the lights by distance is too low. Although my interaction addressed the needs of the user subjects I surveyed, but I neglected the integrity and the usability of the entire interaction. So on the basis of these questions, I proceeded with the establishment of the user. By creating personas, I was able to determine the future development direction and design goals for my interaction product. This is my persona. Eric is a person who feels anxious and restless in the dark. That's why he also needs a light, faint light when he sleeps, but the night lights on the market are too bright, and they are very energy intensive to use throughout the night. So he wanted to buy a smart, environmentally friendly night light that automatically adjusts its brightness and switches. Abby is afraid of the dark. She also suffers from severe insomnia. This is because she gets very scared whenever she is in a dark environment. She is unable to sleep in the dark, so she usually needs some way to distract herself before she goes to sleep. She usually listens to music or watches videos to help her sleep. But listening music for a long time makes her ears hurt, and watching videos in the dark also affects her eyes. Design requirements via persona. I developed the feasibility of the interaction device based on the original product. This time I control the LED light by means of a photoresistor and a human infrared sensor module. Here are my wiring diagrams and the names of the individual components. My design system combines an environmental concept. I control the brightness of the LED by means of a photoresistor. I have programmed the design. The photoresistor controls the brightness of the LEDs by the amount of ambient light it senses. When the value sensed by the photoresistor is greater than the maximum value, it will control the dimmer of the LEDs. The photoresistor will control the dimmer of LEDs. This is why the LEDs are switched on at night when the photoresistor is in control. As morning approaches, the brightness of the room rises. The brightness of the LED lamp will gradually diminish. The infrared body sensing module controls the switching of the LEDs. The LEDs do not come on when the infrared body sensing module doesn't detect moving objects, when there are no people in the room, or when people are asleep. This is a video of my interactive device. As you can see in the video, the LEDs are in an off state. When I wave my hand over it, the LED lights up and gradually changes color. When I approach it with a desk, the LED light gradually diminishes. The LED lights gradually decrease in brightness until they go out. When I switch off the lamp, the LED lights up again. This is my data collection and questions feedback on the user's involvement in completing the tasks through 10 user tests. Based on observing the user testing process and the completion of the tasks, I have come up with the following feedback. I have summarized the feedback in the following 3 points. LED may be due to materials or programming data problems. Changes are not obvious. The need to continue to develop the packaging design of the night light. No loosening of fixation between individual components. For future development, I would like to design the packaging of the night light in this paper cut-out way. Through the overlay of buildings, trees, vehicles, pedestrian. Create artistry and storytelling. Add motor modules. Make all the paper cutting rotate around the LED at the center. Through the lights, project the silhouettes of these scenes onto the wall to form a complete moving scene. It's like a continuously repairing film scene. Then add the music module. This completes the usability and integrity of the interactive installation. I have finished my presentation and thank you for your listening.